Every moment carries more than what the eye can see. A trace of what has shaped the path and what is yet to be. The past still whispers in the grain of choices once aligned. The present moves the current now through action shaped by mind. What has been, what is, what grows, all me within this flow. A single thread of becoming that gently learns to show. No moment stands apart in time, no step is ever straight. The soul moves forward, ever whole along the shaping way. Present breathes with living force, a turning point made clear. Each choice a seed, each act a tone that draws tomorrow near. The future waits in quiet form, a promise held in trust, like buds that swell with hidden light before they break and burst. What has been, what is, what grows, all me within this flow. A single thread of becoming that gently learns to show. No moment stands apart in time, no step is ever straight. The soul moves forward, ever whole along the shaping way. Come before, nor lost in what may rise. The heart stays anchored in the now with clear and patient eyes. Through steady care and love of truth, the mind releases strain and walks with change's quiet guide through loss and growth and gain. With devotion set on deeper aim and effort softly held, the soul aligns with living change and knows itself as felt. Past, present, future interlace, no line to separate. The journey shapes the one who walks and teaches how to wait.